I'm Kayne. I work out at STG in Pakenham, Melbourne, Victoria, and I'm the hydraulic lead. So the hydraulic system, I like to compare it to that of the circulatory system within the human body, and the pump being the heart, which directs flow through the manifold, and from there, depending on what function you want to operate, distributed throughout the system and moves whatever functions you'd like to operate. At STG, we use what's called a load sense hydraulic system. This type of system is great for continuous engagement of the pump, where it will sit in what's called standby mode until a function is called upon. This setup minimised the risks of the system overheating and resulting in electronic temperature cutout. This leads to downtime, as the only way to overcome high temperatures without a cooling system is just to let it cool down naturally. All of STG's systems have dual filtration, one on the high pressure side or a pressure filter, and one on the returning low pressure side or a return filter. This prolongs the life of the oil and maintains contamination to an acceptable level. Each of STG's modules are fitted with various safety features, from counterbalance valves and relief valves on the hydraulic circuits to e-stops and program limits on the electrical circuit. The most common hydraulic function we've got across most of our trucks would be the rear door. This is used to tip off any spoil waste that they've collected through their day. At STG, we have the capability to customise most aspects of the hydraulic systems to suit a client's specific needs. This is within reason, of course, but a perfect example of adaptability is with our back trucks and the seamless integration of the high-pressure, high-flow jetting unit. It is as simple as removing the blanking plate and fitting the directional control valve to the primary manifold block, hook up your A and B hydraulic lines to the jetter reel, and you're operational from a hydraulic standpoint. Accessibility, 100%. I've worked in the maintenance and service industry for over 15 years, and one thing I always hear is no one ever thinks of the maintenance team. At STG, we're making a conscious effort to think of the maintenance team by listening to the feedback of our clients and strategically placing serviceable items in easy-to-reach locations, keeping service downtime to a minimum. The hydraulic industry is constantly evolving as the demands of heavy industry change. At STG, we're always listening to the winds of change and coming up with new ways to simplify and modernise design.